Hi everyone, welcome to my open studio. I'm going to give you a tour. So, some flowers going. This is their entrance hall. And we've got some paintings. In there is just a storage cupboard. So I can't get everything in. It's just a long hallway with my paintings. And here I have some brochures, my business cards, things saying that I take cards. And the book, there's some comments there, flowers, welcome, and my two favourite paintings. And if you see anything that you like or want to ask me any questions, please feel free to do so. And all this work is for sale. Through into my main workplace. I'll just do a pan around so you can get where it is, then I'll come and look through everything in detail. So as you walk through the door, it's that and that, and as you walk up here and around that side, we just came in through that door, and that's where I do all my work. So let me just start you off at the beginning. Just come through the door, through the good. That's that painting, Endangered. On the floor here because I'm having trouble putting screws into the walls. I've got stone walls and they're a bit tricky. I've got two skeleton paintings here. It's my 1,000 Kisses Deep painting. Plant, it goes all the way up there. Keep on. Sorry, I can't get everything in shot because it's quite close and I can't go back that far. That's my Prickly Pear painting. That one. Supertronic Review. That's my little rabbit light that I love. I'll go along this side first. Got some paintings here. Running with Strangers. My Life. Behind My Eyes. Then I've got some small paintings here. These are all for sale. And I've got some badges and magnets in there. That painting, it's called Tweet. That painting there, I've forgotten what they're called, and then you go and did it. I think that one's called. And then I hope I'm not making you feel too sick. I'll just go around this side. That's my wall with my biggest paintings on. I will do a shot from the other side, but I'll just try and let you see. That's right up there. I can't get it square. Future in Your Hands. Cat Lady. I've got some more paintings. These are all originals. In there. And these are all originals as well. This is my affordable art for people. I've got some single postcards here. We've got this one, that one, and I sell them all as packs of 4 as well, with 2 of each design, or however you like them, 1 of each. And for a pack it is £5 for the 4 cards, or £1.50 each. And then I've got some Mitzi monsters and a rabbit head sculpture thing, and some little paintings here. Then I've got a whole stack of magnets. And some hand-painted superpower person superheroes like Batman and Robin and Superman. I've got Wonder, oh yeah, I've got Spider-Man and Wonder Woman, Batman again, and then I've got as featured in Red Pepper magazine. Got the paintings in there. That's this one, that one, and then I've got some paintings here on the wall. Sorry if I keep sniffing, I've got a bit of a cold. And I've got some more little paintings there. And some more cards for sale. These are the packs of 4. I've got that design and that design. Oh, that design and that design. For you. And then I've got that painting, Song for the Lovers, and that painting, 2 Minds. Then I've got some more plants and things here. Hoover, don't look at that. And then I've got this nice, this is the entrance to my kitchen, and I'm not going to take you in there. And then I just go around here. Got my Given painting, and then 2 smaller paintings, and a couple of sculpture things I did. And then I've got my little portfolio thing here of watercolours. That I've done for textile designs. And then I've got all my sketchbooks down here that you can look at. My watercolour ones and those Mitzi ones. More plants. And then I've got a table here with that painting above it. Sorry, the sun's really bright here. And I've got information and books that I'm in, things that I've been in, and leaflets for exhibitions I've done and things. And then there's a window here, and you can look out into the garden. I was going to open the garden, but I don't know if you can see right down the end there, there's a digger. We've got holes everywhere at the moment because we're landscaping the garden. Down here I've got a browser with some work in. And some little paintings on the windowsill. Then more plants. I like this planter. I'm just going to step back a bit so you can see the nice. I've got these mirror balls and they make. Hang on, let me spin them a bit. Spinny, spinny. And they make lovely sparkles everywhere. The sun's really bright this morning, so you can't. It's so pretty. I've got a couple of paintings here. It focuses it. Sorry about the light. All the way up to there. And at the next window I've got some more skeletons. And then I'll show you, I'm very good at doing this tour. And down here is just the little corridor towards the loo, and we've got a couple of paintings there. You can't see because it's quite narrow. And then I've got a couple of paintings there. Painting. Stand back. Those ones. This painting is like one of my first paintings I ever did. Well, not first paintings I ever did, but my first sort of painting where I sort of got my style together, sort of thing. So it's from 2000 or something like that, so it's quite old, that one. And then I've got some little A5 art up on the wall here, all originals for my affordable art. They're all £25. Painting there. That's the loo in there, I won't show you that. And then I've got this painting here. If you wondered what they are, they're just some oils, it's lavender and rosehip oil I'm making for my garden. And then let me take you back out the corridor, and then I've got underneath my top of the pops banner and my pew and table. This is our dining table. I've got some watercolours for sale. And browser. Sorry, the light's really bad because it's really sunny. You can just see shadows in that one. Browsing my watercolours, and that is some more watercolours. Some prints for sale, some landscapes. Gosh, sorry, you can't see, it's terrible. It's a poppy painting. Here is just a little sofa to sit on and some books to read and everything. Here I've got another browser with some more paintings in, and I've got some paintings here. And then we get into my workplace. That's where I do my painting. So that's one that's in progress. And then I've got my printers and paintings that need framing and things. Some prints I've just done. All my rubbish, my computer and my Cintiq. And that's where I film when I do my watercolours for classes and things. And this is where I do my, what I call my proper painting. See, that one's nearly finished. And that one I've still got quite a bit of work to do. It's a bit of a mess. Well, it's not a mess, it's quite tidy actually, because I've tidied everything up. But yeah, so it's the view from normally, I don't know if you can see this beam here. I have a curtain that comes down. I'm taking it down for now, so just to open up the other half, which is our dining room. So normally I'll just have that space there as my studio. There we go. Review from here. Fell over the chair. Thank you for joining me on the tour of my studio, and don't forget, if you like anything, it's all for sale, and back out, and I will say goodbye to you.